Hey everyone, Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is, what is the best way to repair asphalt cracks? Whether you're maintaining your very own driveway at home or you're managing a full parking lot of this kind of size, this is one of the most important steps to protecting your pavement investments and keeping it looking sharp. Okay, so let's dig into this. First off, cracks are like open wounds in your asphalt, right? Once water gets in, they freeze and expand, and of course, you're gonna deal with much bigger damage and costly repairs because that leads to potholes. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to repair the cracks on your parking lot or driveway, and we're gonna make sure we do it the right way. Step one is simple but critical. Clean out the cracks absolutely completely. Use a crack cleaning machine, a wire brush, or even a leaf blower or compressor, and you're gonna get rid of the dirt, vegetation, and debris out of those cracks. If you don't clean them properly, I promise you nothing will stick. Think of it like painting on a dirty wall. No matter how good your paint is, it's going to peel off. Or a Band-Aid on Vaseline, it won't stick. Clean those cracks out. Step two, choose the right crack filler. This is where a lot of people go wrong. You see, for small hairline type cracks, a cold pour crack sealer is absolutely great. It's easy to use and fast to apply. But for anything that's wider than a credit card, go with a hot rubberized crack filler. It melts deep into the crack, bonds watertight, and stays flexible throughout the freeze-thaw cycles that we go through. That flexibility is what keeps it from splitting again when the temperatures change. It's like tectonic plates that can move apart. Crack sealer's flexible. Now, if you're going the hot pour route, I recommend using a melter like the RY10 or the RY10 Pro. It's a push melter applicator. They're designed for pros, but they're really simple enough for DIYers to run safely. You're gonna heat your material up to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then pour it into the cracks. Fill it just above the surface, not too low, not overflowing, just smooth, watertight. Step three, smooth it out. Use a V-squeegee or a crack trowel to level the filler and blend it with the surrounding pavement. Very important. What it does is it gives you a clean, professional look and keeps the tires from grabbing those loose edges. We call them crack fill snakes. After it cools, step four is where the actual magic happens. You're gonna seal coat over the crack sealer lightly. You see, crack repair by itself is like patching a roof. It works, but you still need a weatherproof layer on top. And seal coating locks everything in, evens out the color, and protects your asphalt from the UV, oil, and moisture damage as things continue to progress. When you do all four of these steps, clean, fill, smooth, and seal, you get a finish that looks absolutely amazing. And best of all, it lasts for years longer. That's the difference between patching cracks and actually protecting your pavement investments. Now, if this video has been helpful and it helped you understand the process more, hit that like button. Drop a comment down below. I love interacting with people with questions or comments. I want to know what kind of cracks you're dealing with and what products you're using. And if you want more step-by-step pavement care tips, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video that we are going to be putting out. Can't wait to see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.